Here we're working on a relic, an iPhone 6 Plus. Why anybody would want to fix this is beyond me, but he does not want to get an upgrade. All right, we got the new old screen off. We're gonna get that new screen on here. All right, now there you have it. The iPhone 6 Plus is complete. New screen. Here's the before. And here's the after. Now, why anybody still chooses to use this phone is beyond me. And it's disabled. Hey, yay. All right, there it is. Got that phone restored for our customer. Hopefully he knows his information.